I'm Lena Beline, and I live in Fullerton, California. I had been looking to have solar system installed for quite a long time. Leona and John were here. They asked me if there was anything else that I had been thinking of doing, and I started talking to them about how I had been wanting to get a new fence, how I'd wanted to put a set of French doors in my sunroom. Nobel workers took time to make sure everything was done properly. I'm really happy with the way the work turned out. The fence is beautiful. The doors are wonderful. They were all just really nice, and yes, I would recommend Nobel Remodeling.